Hello guys, welcome to my new video. As we know, the race of different countries have led in invention of deadliest weapons, and one of them is nuclear bomb. USA had used two such nuclear bombs in past, and the bombs that we have now are 100 times more powerful than the Hiroshima or Nagasaki bombings. So today we'll be doing a thought experiment on what if a nuclear bomb is dropped in Kathmandu, Nepal. So let's get started, guys. So guys, now we are in Kathmandu and we'll be testing by deploying different types of nuclear weapons built till now. So let's get started. So at first we'll be using the Fatman nuclear bomb which was dropped in Nagasaki, and it was 20 kiloton of TNT bomb it was. So let's 3, 2, 1, let's detonate. And guys, you can see the damage area. Here you can see the yellow, it is a fireball. In this much area the fireball will come, and this is air blast radius and this is radiation radius. And if we go down we can see, and this is also a air blast radius, and this is thermal radiation radius. So guys, you can simply see what if a nuclear bomb which was dropped in Nagasaki will be dropped in Kathmandu. So guys, now we're gonna move to little boy which was dropped in Hiroshima. So if the bomb of Hiroshima will be dropped in Kathmandu, then you can see the destruction. Let's compare it with little boy. And this is the nuclear bomb named Gazette, and it was the first nuclear bomb made by United States. Trinity. Let's detonate this, and it was so small. And now we are gonna test the most deadliest nuclear weapon of United States. So let's see, where is it. Here you can see B-83, the largest bomb in current United States arsenal. Let's detonate, and as you can see, this is the most deadliest weapon in United States arsenal, and it will totally destroy whole Kathmandu Valley as well as its nearby districts, as you can see guys. So let's detonate now. Largest currently French French of the largest nuclear weapon which France owns now. Let's detonate this now guys, and you can see it is gonna destroy Patan, Kathmandu, Kirtipur, Bhaktapur, and so many other places. So now let's detonate a bomb which is largest USSR bomb which is tested, and Tsar Bomba which is still with Russia. So let's test the largest bomb till now, and guys you can see it is gonna destroy half of Nepal including Kathmandu, Hetauda, and so on. Now let's detonate the largest bomb designed till now. It is USSR bomb design. It is 100 megaton of TNT. Tsar Bomba. Let's detonate. It is mind blowing guys. And you can see guys, if it is dropped in Kathmandu, then Chitwan, Bhaktapur, Gorkha, and some parts of China also, and you can simply see guys, and Gorkha also will completely destroy. So we'll test it in Butwal now guys. Let's test this in Butwal. If it will be dropped in Butwal, then it will reach till India also, and if it dropped in Bhairava, then Gorakhpur is also gonna get destroyed guys. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss another updates. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. And guys, after subscribing the channel, check in the link in description and you will find some stunning products on Amazon. And guys, watch this video. This is the video of the first nuclear bomb test, the Trinity test. Guys, have a look on this also.